We always get what we see. I want you to get your goal in your mind. And I'm going to give you a few seconds to really lock in on your goal from the end. It is already here. Now, what are you seeing now that you've achieved this goal? What are you seeing? What are you experiencing with your eyes that you've achieved this goal in 2024? Now, I want you to see what you're wearing. I want you to really discipline your senses to really see exactly what does your hair look like. Now, what are you celebrating now that you've achieved this big goal? And I want you to really experience what you're celebrating. Really experience it. Get into that feeling. Now, when we go back to that celebration of these people talking about you, I want you to smell what it smells like. Are you out at a restaurant? What does it smell like? Are you cheersing a champagne glass, a wine glass? And I want you to really experience it. Now, I want you to go here all the time. That is how you get on the frequency of what you want. It is yours. Now, I want you to breathe in that this is done.